Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Farm Fresh ang Capital One Solar Spikers 25-17, 25-23, 25-20. Best player of the game si Yene Morello sa likod ng kanyang 15 points mula sa 13 attacks at 2 aces. Tinalo naman ng Akari Chargers ang NX-led Chameleons 21-25, 25-19, 25-17, 25-18. Best player of the game si Michelle Cobb matapos nagtala ng 9 points mula sa 4 attacks, 1 block at 4 aces na may kasamang 18 excellent sets. Pinataob naman ng Signal HD Spikers ang Galleries Tower High Risers 23-25, 25-22, 26-28, 25-14, 15-11. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jel Cayona matapos nagtala ng 8 points mula sa 1 attack, 3 blocks at 4 aces na may kasamang 31 excellent sets. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang match team standings as of August 15, 2024. Akari Chargers 7 wins, 0 loss, 18 points. Signal HD Spikers 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 5 wins, 1 loss, 15 points. Kremlin Cold Smashers 4 wins, 2 losses, 14 points. Cheritigo Crossovers 4 wins, 2 losses, 12 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 4 wins, 3 losses, 10 points. Petrogas Angels 3 wins, 3 losses, 9 points. Farm Fresh 3 wins, 4 losses, 8 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 2 wins, 4 losses, 7 points. NX-led Chameleons 1 win, 6 losses, 3 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 wins, 7 losses, 4 points. Zeus Thunderbells 0 wins, 6 losses, 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 17, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Zeus Thunderbells kontra sa Cheritigo Crossovers alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang Petrogas Angels at PLDT High Speed Hitters alas 3 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ng Chocomocho Flying Titans at Kremlin Cold Smashers alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.